Hello friends, this video is about voiceless creatures, the animals. Of course not human, because recently some humans have proved that we are worse than other animals. We humans, the most intelligent animals, have certified our mistakes. For example, we can do any harm to nature and her children and say it's okay. But no, it's not just okay. Because remember, we are also an animal. What we do to others come back to us. So here is a poem named Certificate for us to realize our mistake and help animals. We the humans are very clever. Our mistakes we accept never. We harm creatures with such a pride as if it's ISO certified. We are certified to kill them just for fun. We are certified to wear animals' skin showing no concern. Certified to eat alive. Certified to torture them. And why not? After all, we are humans, very clever, who accepts their mistakes never. Now I realize we are real virus in the nature, ready to harm Mother Earth in future. Nature made humans superior from all. Her kindness we need to recall. The trees, the animals, the environment we need to save, or nature will take from us whatever she gave. Here are some real life inspiring incidents of wild animals risking their own safety to save people. A 12-year-old Ethiopian girl in Kenya was kidnapped by 4 men on her way to home from school. The girl was saved when 3 lions chased her kidnappers and protected her till police arrived. It may be because the cries of the girl were like lion cub. In year 2002, a man named Kevin was suffering from bipolar disorder, you can also say depression, and he decided to commit suicide from Golden Gate Bridge in San Francisco. However, he did not drown but was saved by sea lions as they kept him above water and saved his life. In 2012, a woman was saved by deer from purse snatcher. A deer got alert when it heard the sound of women struggling and chased the attacker. In this way, the woman was saved. Otherwise, the attacker could have caused any harm to her. There are many more examples where animals saved human life, and now we are going to show you some clips when humans saved animals' life. This story is of a street dog who was saved by some kind people. In this video, we can see an eagle got stuck in marsh and was rescued by an NGO. A whale got stuck in sand and was saved by lifeguards. They put water constantly on her to maintain the temperature, and finally she was left in the sea safely. There is a strong bonding between humans and animals, but because of some people, humanity is ashamed. There is a clip in which dogs' tails were removed brutally, but they were rescued also. Recently, A sad incident occurred in Kerala with a pregnant elephant. While some asked justice for her, some people in Himachal Pradesh gave firecrackers to a pregnant cow. These type of people are disgrace for humanity. Instead of keeping 2 minutes silence for the cow and elephants, let's take oath to raise voice for them. Let's know more by leather products. We can also join NGOs working for these friends of ours, give them food, do not throw stones at them, and if we can't do anything to stop, let's just stop doing things that increase their difficulty. Number 1 is a Hollywood movie, that is A Dog's Way Home, and second is a South Indian movie